guys, it's me, it's my face. Look, I'm appearing in this video for the first time. Well, not the first time, this is not really a total face reveal because when I started doing YouTube some years ago, I actually used to show myself during the videos, and then I thought it would be more comfortable for me to just talk and show what I was doing in these videos, and now this time I gathered the courage to show myself. The sound might not be too great. I'm still figuring things out because my mic is not great for this right now, but we'll see. Hopefully things will show up okay. But yeah, here I am, and here we are for yet another video. So welcome back, and if you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. If you don't know yet, I'm Patricia. I'm an artist and I create online drawing courses for beginner artists or for people that need encouragement to start drawing. I try to make my courses as simple as possible, so this journey of learning how to draw can be as simple and as joyful as possible. So with that out of the way, this time around for this video, I actually am a bit late with this, but I do have a Scrawlrbox to show you. I actually have two already. I am a bit late with this, so I'm sorry about that. But as always, I'm going to start by unboxing the Scrawlrbox, then I'm going to swatch everything that's inside the box and ending with creating something using the supplies inside the box. So, unboxing. This is going to be a very challenging box for me because the materials inside of it are very new to me. I'm not used to using this, but we'll talk about that later. So first of all, we got our zine. This small zine that comes every month. It explains the supplies you're getting. It talks about the featured artist and also a gallery. Where is the gallery? Yeah, a gallery of stuff done by people that get these boxes. We also get every month an idea for you to use this box. So this is it, the zine. It's always really cool. Then every box you also get this, which is a print and a sticker. Hoping this is showing well. Yes, a print and a sticker made by our featured artist, which this time is Derek Overfield. So there we go. And in the print and the sticker, you'll get an idea right away of what we're using in this box. In each box, there's also a snack. My snack had a bit of an accident this time. I'll show you why later. But yes, always a candy or something. It's always something sweet, which is nice. It's a nice addition. Now for the paper, the Scrawlrbox always brings the paper for you to use with the supplies. And this time around, we got here a blue paper pad, which is very curious. I like this. So as you can see, the paper is blue. It has some thickness. Please focus on it. But yeah, it has some thickness for you to use the supplies. And now, it's all dirty already, as you can see. So now, for the rest of the supplies. So I'll leave this one for the end because it's very messy, as you can see. My hands are already dirty, so you'll see that this is going to be a very messy box. But okay, so we got here a pack of Sea White of Brighton, compressed compressed grey tones charcoal. So yeah, a bunch of charcoal for us to use. I'm not really experienced with this, so it's going to be hard for me. But let me show you the inside. We got a bunch of charcoal. One of them is already a bit broken. This poor box had a very rough trip getting here. So yeah, we have here this, a nice variety of gray tones, even some white and everything. So this is a good opportunity to practice value, drawing with value. And finally, we got two Derwent XL tinted charcoal blocks. And these come in two colors. Where will I put this? So we have this kind of bluish or greenish block. And then you can't really see this color anymore properly, but it's a yellowish block. I'll have to break it so I can use the color properly. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And we're going to use all of this. Look, it's going to be interesting. I'm wearing this coat because I know I'm going to make a huge mess with this. So if I'm going to get my clothes dirty, at least it's something that you won't be really able to see all of that, all of this charcoal in it. Hopefully, I don't know, we'll see. But yes, the unbox is done. I'm going to move all of this to my desk. And first we're going to swatch everything. And then I'll try to create something using these supplies. I'm going to be honest with you, I have no idea what I'll draw. But we'll find out together. So you know the drill. Grab a drink, a snack maybe, get comfortable and come draw along with me. Okay, so I finished, let me take this out of the way, but I finished swatching all of this. I really like this too, these blocks. They have really nice colors, especially the yellow one. I really like yellow. As you can see, you can play a lot with texture here. Hopefully I'll be able to do something with that. For the set, like some of them I don't really see a big difference, especially these first white and light gray. So I could do with less tones for me. The grays are okay, but still some are really close to each other. But yeah, I think you can make some very interesting things with texture here. I'm still not sure what to do, but I'm going to sketch some stuff and see what comes out of it. Also, as you can see, this makes a big mess. I should probably have done this somewhere else, but that's fine. I can clean my desk later. So yeah, I know this is going to be a messy drawing. I really don't have a whole lot of ideas, and when I don't have any ideas, my brain goes to cats. So I think I'm going to draw a few cats, see how that goes. The challenge word for this box is unfinished business. So what I'm thinking is really leaving things very unfinished, very rough, and take advantage of that. So yeah, I think I'm just going to draw a few cats, see how that goes. They might look cute, or they might look like something out of a nightmare, but we'll see how that goes. I'm going to try and draw a full illustration with these materials. So yeah, let's do this. Once again. I'm finished, but I gotta say, charcoal is not my medium. So I have here the swatches I did using all the supplies. Like, I do like that you can experiment a lot with texture, but at the same time I don't really know what to do with it, which is normal. I mean, I don't use charcoal. It's a medium that is a bit too messy for me, if I'm being honest. But it's nice to experiment with different things, with new things. When I don't know what to draw, I usually go with cats. I love drawing cats. I think it's really fun. I like their shapes. So yeah, it's what I did. So I started with this one, but I wasn't really enjoying how it was turning out. I didn't really like this background with the texture. I felt it was a bit too much. So I scrapped this one and started another. And I ended up with this one. At the same time, well, it's very messy, but at the same time, I think I like that messiness. Like, I could do some kind of postcard with this, or even a pattern, for example. I think it could be fun to do something like that, like some kind of pattern. And even though it's not a medium I enjoy very much, like it's a bit too messy for me, I do feel like we should find the positives of things that we don't enjoy. And for example, one thing I liked about this is that was the freedom. Like, I know it was going to be messy. I knew I wasn't going to do something very fantastic or not in my usual style. So I just let myself be messy and imperfect with my drawings. So that's what we ended up with. There's almost no detail in this. It's very, very sketchy, very rough. And that's something that can be fun, in my opinion. So yeah, this is what I did. I do have a few things to tell you before we go. First thing is, I've been thinking about doing a few videos a bit more towards the tutorial. So I wanted to do a video, for example, where I teach you how to draw cats, or the way I draw cats. And I wanted to know if that's something that you'd be interested in. Do let me know in the comments. Other than that, I'm creating a new course that is all about rediscovering your creativity. So it's going to be a bit simpler. It's not about drawing anything in particular, but more about your own creativity, finding that imagination, being less afraid of just drawing and do something creative. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And other than that, I've updated our blog, our website, specifically the courses page, so it's easier to understand what courses do I have available and where can you find them. So I think this is all the things I had to tell you this time around. So first of all, thank you Scrawlrbox for sending these boxes to me. I think they are really fun. I'll leave a link in the description so you can take a look at it and find more information about the Scrawlrbox and if you're interested in it. Thank you all so much for watching the video to the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!